Hi there, this is AmyKelsey, and for my final project I chose to do a lesson in using the iPad app Trading Cards. Trading Cards is kind of a neat app because it allows you to create a trading card based on several different things, which I'll show you. So for the first part, you just choose a username, and then it directs you to this page here, and this is the part that I really think is quite neat. You can choose a fictional person, a real person, a fictional place or a real place, so you can include the setting, an object, which I found very interesting that you could choose, an event, or vocabulary. And so for this particular lesson, I focused on the vocabulary in James and the Giant Peach integrated into a 4th grade lesson. So for this particular example, we used the word hover. And as you type in the word hover, it brings you to your trading card. The trading card includes the basic information on the front, the meaning, the part of speech, synonyms and antonyms. The free version of this app only allows for colors to be changed on the front of your card. All of the questions are already pre-plugged in there, and there's no way to change them. You can add a photo in that little box underneath hover, which I did near the end, but it can only be from your camera at that time. You have to take a picture of it. It can't be something that you've saved or from your camera roll. So those are just some of the basics. The back of the card includes some other types of questions, but they're more, I guess, personal connections, personal reactions, where you would find this word, the people that would use it. It's kind of an extension of just simply putting down the definition. Another neat thing about the back is that it gives you guiding questions for each of the spaces that need to be filled in, such as the word clue. Where does hover originate, or what will help you remember what it means? And my 7-year-old helped me with hover. She came up with the fact that hover contains the word over, so it would be a clue like that would help a student to remember the meaning. The personal reaction part I found kind of interesting. Do you have a positive or negative reaction to the word, and why? Just kind of getting the student's opinion of the word, which I don't think we ask very often, actually. So this is my completed trading card for the word hover. And as you can see, I took a picture of a picture, and that didn't work out as smashingly as I thought it was going to. It's really hard because the camera doesn't take it as you see that. So anyway, that is a picture of an airplane hovering over the ground. But regardless, you can see that we filled in the blanks that were there. And it looks nice and neat, and it gives kids a chance to just use the iPad instead of doing the regular writing. They can also use the iPad as a resource for definitions and trying to figure out what the word means. Just as another example, I tried the trading card for the character. So I did James Henry Trotter, the main character from James and the Giant Peach, and as you can see, it asks different questions. It doesn't use the same questions as the vocabulary trading card would, which I think is neat because you can kind of cater it to all different types of lessons and types of information that you want the kids to show that they know. Also, at the end, I would have students print it, and they could create a book with all of their vocabulary from a certain piece of literary work, or they could have them hanging on the wall as a reference. But I just thought it was a neat way to kind of personalize the vocabulary and give them an opportunity to create something using an app or an iPad, some sort of technology that would kind of make it an active lesson instead of just a static writing the definition, writing a sentence that goes with it. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for listening.